In 1967, the small town of St. Paul, Alberta, made history by building the world's first UFO landing pad as part of Canada's centennial celebrations. This unique landmark quickly became a magnet for tourists and UFO enthusiasts worldwide. On a strange note, in 2012, approximately 10% of the world's maple syrup supply was stolen from a strategic reserve in Quebec, marking one of Canada's most unusual crimes. Beyond these odd events, Canada has a rich history of significant contributions to the world, including its pivotal role in both world wars. During the 19th century, Canada served as a haven for escaped slaves from the United States through the Underground Railroad, showcasing the country's commitment to freedom and equality. The story of Canada's UFO landing pad stands out as a fascinating blend of innovation, celebration, and intrigue, symbolizing the country's spirit of embracing the unknown and welcoming the world.